Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best EMF reader in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is ERICKHILL EMF Reader. You can also consider ERICKHILL and its EMF readers if you want something affordable but do not want to compromise on performance, which is possible thanks to the EMF reader stated here. This EMF reader can be a great value for money option for all those of you who are on a budget. Even at its given price tag, you get a pretty decent EMF range of 0 to 1000 mg, which is much higher than what you will need. That being said, ERICKHILL does not mention any frequency range rating, which can be a bummer for many buyers. Thankfully, you do get a fairly large backlit LCD display with it. Testing average or peak value, maximum, reading, and one key holds the data for a view. Large and backlight LCD is clear for viewing. Auto power off after 5 minutes without operation. Mainly used for testing TV, computer, printer, microwave oven, refrigerator, cell towers, for low-frequency home appliances, and ghost hunting, etc. Number 2. Our second best pick is TRIFIELD EMF Reader. This is a high-end and quite popular brand of EMF readers, which is known for offering a wide range of high-performance models like the one stated here. This EMF reader is present in the second position in this list since you get a fairly high-performance model. For starters, you get an EMF range of 0 to 100 mg from this unit, which is possible thanks to its 3-axis sensor. Its EMF range is combined along with a decently high frequency range of 40 Hz to 100 kHz, resulting in great compatibility. You also get a handy LCD display at the front for accurately checking EMF readings with this read. The magnetic readings show the field at the location where the meter is held and is independent of how you orient the meter. It is also independent of whether your hand is blocking the meter. However, the electric, ELEC, and RF detectors are different. These sensors read the field correctly when the top of the meter is pointed toward the source, but your hand can block these fields, so hold the meter by its lower half when measuring electric or RF. In an electromagnetically quiet home or office, both standard and weighted will read less than 50 V/m, but the reading may be higher when the meter is pointed toward fluorescent lights, a wall outlet or switch plate, or an improperly grounded appliance. Number 3. Our third best pick is GQ EMF 390 EMF Reader. This is another high-end brand of industrial measuring tools, which also includes a high-performance EMF reader made for heavy-duty usage. This reader is present in the third position in this article because it is the perfect option for those who want something highly compatible and versatile. Not only that, but the EMF range of 0 to 500 mg is also quite great when compared with entry-level models. But the best feature about this EMF reader is its frequency range of 0 Hz to 400 kHz, which is much higher than what you will ever need. Thanks to the large size of this EMF reader, it is able to include a large backlit display. The meter has installed multiple sensors to ensure maximum scale/range measurement and highest accuracy. With an open communication protocol, the user is able to send commands to the unit to get all data remotely. This allows the device to be easily integrated into any other system. The device is equipped with a USB port utilized for communication, and external power supply / charging of internal rechargeable 3.7V battery. GQ EMF meter is all you need to detect EMF, ELF, EF, and RF radiation. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is KII EMF Reader. Key and its EMF readers are known to be quite easy to use, making them the perfect option for those who are new to EMF readers and want something simple and straightforward. This EMF reader can be a great option if you want something for basic usage at your home. Because this EMF reader is primarily made for basic use, its given EMF range of 0 to 20 mg is to be expected. Similarly, the given frequency range of 50 Hz to 20 kHz is also quite simple and ideal for an EMF reader that you would use. To ensure that this EMF reader is easy to use, it does not have a display but offers LED indicators on the top. Instantaneous response to EMF fluctuations and amp spikes. 9-volt batteries required, best with Polaroid 9-volt batteries. Easy to read LED light scale in dark and sunshine. Portable, easy to use, rugged, reliable, super responsive. UV reactive color label. Used for paranormal research and for general EMF detection use. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Kidley EMF Reader. This is a fairly new and an entry-level brand of EMF readers that manages to offer some of the most reliable options out there, like the one present here. This EMF reader is one of the cheapest options stated here in this list since it is made for basic home usage. As a result, its given EMF range of 0 to 20 mg is to be expected and on par with other similar budget options. Taking a look at its frequency range, it is rated for 50 Hz to 20 kHz, which should be ample for simple usage. To ensure that you can easily use this EMF reader, it features easy-to-read LED indicators. The range of EMF meters used for ghost hunting helps to measure electromagnetic fields to identify devices that generate high radiation, enabling users to make decisions about limiting exposure. The detector is associated with the location and it is reported that the unexplained phenomenon is related to radiation. The ghost hunting detector operates on a single battery and reports EMF measurements in the 5 mg range. Measuring a variety of EMFs from 50 Hz to 20,000 Hz, it can register mobile phones within 2 feet. EMF levels are measured to prevent potentially harmful long-term overexposure to EMF. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.